Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Well, it doesn't get prettier than that. A beautiful view of Mount Shasta. A lot of snow falling on the mountain over the last 48 hours. Mount Shasta, the ski park, measuring just over 20 inches of snow this morning, a 24-hour total. We have just some spotty lingering rain and snow showers out there right now, but the next storm system will start to move in late tonight. We'll see the rain and snow shower activity winding down this evening. Tonight, maybe some breaks in the clouds, hopefully some breaks around midnight to check out that total lunar eclipse, but rain and snow will start to push back in the late night hours into the early morning. Winds will be picking up as well. Snow levels tonight drop to about 1,000 feet. Take a look at those wind advisories again for the Rogue and Shasta valleys into tomorrow. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour in the Rogue Valley, a bit higher up to 55 miles per hour in the Shasta Valley. So we'll start off with mainly snow for a lot of inland areas tomorrow morning, but snow levels do get up to about 3,500 feet for tomorrow afternoon. So definitely some snowy and slippery travel, especially above 1,500 feet in the morning. And then we'll see that change over to rain taking place in the Rogue Valley, up to 49 in Medford, 44 in Wairika, and topping at around 40 in Klamath Falls. Winter weather advisories in place for the Klamath Basin, the Shasta Valley, central Siskiyou County, and above 1,500 feet through Jackson, Josephine, and Curry County tomorrow morning. Some slow and slippery travel. Winter storm warning in place along the Cascades and Siskiyous. This will carry through the weekend. Some big snowfall is expected over the next few days for the Cascades, and then down into Siskiyou County, including the Mount Shasta area, above 2,000 feet in western Siskiyou County. We also have a winter storm warning for about 2 a.m. Through 5 p.m. tomorrow on your Friday. Here's a look at snowfall amounts tomorrow through Saturday morning. About 1 to 2 feet for Cascade passes. We'll see a few up to several inches of snow for the east side. Definitely some slower travel tomorrow in the basin. 6 to 12 inches expected for Mount Shasta. Hayes Hill could see 2 to 4 inches of snow, but for places like Ashland and lower elevations, a dusting up to 1 inch at most. So we'll see snow changing to rain tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, mainly looking at rain for this weekend, but it is looking soggy. Some of that rain will be quite heavy, especially into Sunday. So here's the snow, pretty widespread tomorrow morning. It's about 6 a.m. and then by midday, seeing that change over to rain in the Rogue Valley, Medford and Grants Pass. Snow showers continue in the basin, and we'll see more activity into tomorrow night. A lull Saturday morning, but here comes the next storm system. This atmospheric river going to bring some intense rainfall to Curry and Josephine County. Big snow up in the Cascades, and with these precipitation amounts that we're forecasting over the next several days, we could be looking at some flooding concerns and definitely some river and stream rises. The coast, heavy rain this weekend, strong winds expected as well. We'll also see some pretty windy weather through much of the region. Northern California, snow levels upticking a bit Saturday and Sunday. Snowy tomorrow in the basin. Some blowing snow will be a concern as well. It stays active right through St. Patrick's Day. The Cascades, the mountains, big snow expected in the days ahead. Some difficult travel, although snow levels will be bumping up as we go through the weekend. And then in the Rogue Valley, snowy, a little slippery in spots tomorrow morning, but mainly looking at just rain this weekend. But it's going to be a soggy weekend at that.